What is the limit of our income? Sky is the limit. Of all the MLM company, here I dare to declare to all of you, DXN is the only company who is truly believe in MLM. We are a true MLM company, one process concept. We are a one process company, from planting, from manufacturing, from selling. We are vertically integrated company, one process company. We are a one market company, okay? One world, one market. When you join member in Philippines, when you go to Hong Kong, are you the member of DXN? When you go to UAE, are you the member of DXN? When you go to America, are you a member of DXN? Yes. One world, one market. We are a one market company.
We call the One Dragon, One World, One Market concept.